Welcome to Click C Programming. Do you want to build your career in programming? Learn freeform programming language and be ready to start your career in computer programming. C is one of the most widely used and user-friendly programming languages. It is faster than any other programming language. If you learn C, learning C++ becomes easier. You will learn this course on MKCL's e-learning and self-learning platform called ERA. In this course, you will learn about a brief introduction to C programming language, the decision control structure, functions and pointers, C preprocessor, arrays and strings, file input-output, Windows programming, C programming under Linux, C traps and pitfall, outputs, ACII value, swapping numbers, leap year and reversing an integer, inverted half pyramid of star pattern, Floyd's triangle, full pyramid of star pattern, Pascal's triangle, etc. You will learn all of these in just 2 months. The course is available in English. This course is recognized by Yashwantrao Chavan Maharashtra Open University, YCMOU. YCMOU mark sheet will be issued on successful completion of Section 1, Section 2, and Section 3. MKCL provides a certificate to the Click learners after their successful course completion. Career opportunities. After completing this course, you can work as a programmer, embedded programmer, system engineer, system SW engineer, network security engineer, and game programmer. So, let's gear up and join